Hey, thanks for coming back. We're going to continue on with this Math 1 lesson. Here we're looking at question 5. So what is the value of this statement? So let's just write it down and make sure we're keeping our things straight. So then I have 2 minus 9 is negative 7, but the absolute value of negative 7 is, that's right, 7 minus, we're going to distribute, what's negative 3 times 5? 15. And negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, correct? So now I have 14 minus 15 minus 6 equals negative 7, okay? So those others are bad. Clearly, we got to the right answer pretty easily there. What about number 6? Ricardo started a savings account for his daughter Ruth by depositing $500 into the account for her first birthday. So $500 for her first, okay? For each successive birthday, Ricardo deposits 200 more than the amount deposited for the previous birthday. So in her second, it's going to be 700, and then 900, and so on, okay? This is the only money deposited into the account. What is the total amount of money Ricardo will have deposited into the account for Ruth up to and including her 6th birthday? Okay, so we've already done the 2nd and the 3rd, so we need the 4th, 5th, and 6th, and we're just going to sum them, aren't we? So 1,100, 1,300, and 1,500. If we add those all up, what do we get? Quick math. In this case, we get K. Again, use your calculator. Calculator is your best friend. Make sure we get the points, right? The way I did this is that I saw that the two middle ones were 900 plus 1,100 is 2,000. These also add up to 2,000. And then, of course, 500 and 1,500 also add up to 2,000. So that's 2,000 times 3 is 6,000. Okay? Number 7. Tawana bought a used car. She made an initial payment of $700. Okay, so $700 right off the bat. I will tell you, we see these types of questions a fair amount, so I want you to be ready for them. She made 36 monthly payments, so 36 monthly payments. The total amount Tawana paid for the car was $7,000, so she paid $7,000 total, okay? What was the amount of each of her monthly payments? Okay, so I need to do what? This is a little bit different. So I have 7,000 minus 700, right? What does that give us? That should give us $6,300, correct? All right, so we have $6,300 left. So what do we need to do with that $6,300? That's the remaining that she paid for her monthly payment. So we need to divide it by 36. And again, punch that into your calculator. And in this case, you're going to get B, $175 per month so that she could actually buy her car and own it outright. All right, keep with me. We're going to keep doing some of these questions here in this, and they are going to get progressively more difficult. So let's get into it.